Hey guys, what's up? It's Ark here. Today I'm going to be reviewing the Skullcandy Jib True Wireless Earbuds. These are really cool personally after having them for a couple weeks. And yeah, let's just get into some pros and cons. Okay, just before getting into pros and cons, my initial thoughts is that these are just amazing. For $30, I think this is like the best earbuds I've ever had. But I've never used AirPods before. Well, I have a couple times, but I've never owned them. So, they're $160 for AirPods though. Maybe a little less now, I'm not really sure. And for $30, I think these are really good options. So, pros and cons. Pros, they have amazing bass. They fit really nicely. So, oh, I keep hitting the camera. They fit amazingly. So, it even gives you different sizes in the box over here. It gives you different sizes for the actual ear, so you can like swap out this part right here, and it fits really well in your ear. It's like amazing. I'd say another pro is that you can use it with one out of the case. Also, when you take them both out of the case, they instantly pair with your phone if you've paired before, so that's really cool. And yeah, all in all, amazing. I do think there's a few cons to this, however. One of them, they don't fit insanely well in the case. So sometimes they're fitting well right now, but sometimes they're a little crooked or they're off-centered and they're not charging all the time. And then when I try closing it, they hit, like the lid of the case hits the earbuds occasionally. So that's kind of a downside. Another pro is their water resistance. You can wear them like in a light sprinkle probably. I wouldn't venture off to like a heavy rain. I think I think that would probably mess them up. Um, but once again, for $30, they're insane. You can call with these. I think they have a built-in microphone, so that's really cool. You can just do so much. I could be wrong on the microphone thing. They advertise that you can call with it, so that should be accurate. And yeah, I mean, for the price of AirPods, I think these are better, honestly. But that's just me. But I think these are really nice. They have 22-hour battery life. Oh, whoops. They have 22-hour battery life with the case and the earbuds. The earbuds themselves have 6 hours, and then the case has 16, and then the case charges them. So you can pretty much get 22 hours. Maybe if you're in a car ride, you have to like stop for a second and charge them for like an hour or two, but then you should be good again. And yeah, they're really, really amazing. Great product. That's all I gotta say about it, honestly. Um, I guess I'll put a comment a couple weeks from now letting you guys know if they're still holding up well. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys later.